guys, so as you see by the title of this video, we're going to be talking about YouTube channel art, or people call it banners. So these are for your actual YouTube page. When people go to your page, they're going to look at your profile, they're going to look at your banner. Usually the banner will say like your name, will have like your Instagram information, like the days that you will post, the times that you will post, so people know quick information about you. So let's make this beautiful. Let's make this to capture the viewer's attention. Hey guys, so we're going to start by going to Canva. In the little search area, you're going to type YouTube channel art. It's going to show up a whole bunch of templates. From there, you can view and select the one that you want. And depending on your account, you'll be able to access like the Canva premium ones or the free ones. So just scroll through and select the one you want. Once you're ready, you click it. You're going to have your template. You can customize it and you can add text and it changed the color, the font, all that good stuff. I'm going to go in by removing some elements. And if you don't know how to remove the elements, you just click on one of the shapes that you want to delete and you just press that delete element, and then you're going to have the regular background picture. From there, you can swipe up and change if you want to add music or change the text. You can click that text area and you can add a heading, subheading, or just a smaller one, stuff like that. And just search if you want to add little icons there. So by my heading, it's just going to have my name. It's going to have a subheading. That subheading just going to be maybe my Instagram information, and then I'm going to look for an icon of a camera, and then just post on the side the days I'm going to load my videos. During this part, guys, I just sped up the video a little bit so you guys can just see what I'm doing. Literally, I am just customizing, rearranging, adding some text in there, and I didn't want to make the video super lengthy, but just wanted to show you guys in a faster version of what's going on. Okay guys, so swipe up, you'll be able to see a little icons like template, uploads, photos, elements, text, music, videos, background, folders, and much more. Then I like to focus on the text and just add my text there, especially when I'm doing my heading, my subheadings, and the under one of the subheadings. Something I noticed, guys, it's always good to make your text bold and also add color to it. Don't make it the same color as your background, because then it will just kind of blend in. You want to make sure to differentiate your colors of your text. Guys, once you're close to the end and you know that you're finished, you want to click the upper right corner and download it. Guys, this is the final results. And then you go to customize. So when you're here at customizing channel, you're going to go to branding. From branding, you're going to go banner image, and you're going to change that. So here you see the little information. It says for best results on all devices, use an image that when you click change, you're going to go to your photo library and basically just upload it. Once it uploads, it's going to approve it. If it doesn't approve it, then you have to make sure you meet the requirements.